Bronco owners, every week the forums are full of people debating lift kits, winches, and bumper swaps that run into the thousands. But while everyone is arguing about suspension builds, there are 8 modifications sitting right under the community's nose that cost almost nothing, take under an hour each, and produce improvements to daily driving, trail capability, and long-term ownership that the expensive stuff cannot match at the same value per dollar. These are the mods experienced Bronco owners quietly do first. The ones that protect components costing thousands to replace, fix real daily annoyances, and unlock capability Ford already built in. Whether you drive a base model, Big Bend, Black Diamond, Outer Banks, Badlands, or Wild Track, everything on this list applies to your Bronco right now. Let's get into it. Mod number 1, a quality rubber floor mat set, $65 to $80. The highest return on investment of anything on this list, and the one most new Bronco owners skip because floor mats do not feel like a modification. On a Bronco, they absolutely are. The Bronco gets used. Mud, sand, trail dust, wet boots. The removable door configuration means the threshold is wide open to the elements from day one. Factory carpet that accumulates moisture and never fully dries develops mold that is expensive to remediate and destroys resale value. Laser-measured custom-fit rubber mats from WeatherTech or Husky liners are molded to your specific Bronco's floor. Raised edges contain everything within the mat rather than letting it reach the carpet underneath. They rinse clean in 30 seconds. The carpet they protect costs several $100s to replace. The mats cost $65 to $80 for a complete set. Do this one before the first trail day. Mod number 2, dielectric grease for every electrical connector, under $10. The mod that sounds too simple to matter, right up until it saves you from an electrical fault that stumps 2 shops and costs several diagnostic fees before anyone finds the corroded connector that started the problem. The Bronco's door-off design and removable roof mean its electrical connectors experience environmental exposure that most vehicles never see. Moisture works into connectors. Corrosion builds on contact surfaces. The PCM starts logging fault codes for components functioning perfectly. They simply cannot communicate through a compromised connector. Dielectric grease displaces moisture and prevents corrosion on the metal contact surfaces inside any connector it is applied to. Apply it every time you access an electrical connector, door connectors when reinstalling doors, coil-on plug boot contacts at spark plug changes, trailer plug pins at every use. A tube costs under $10 and lasts years. The electrical faults it prevents cost many multiples of that in diagnostic labor. The factory throttle calibration on the Bronco's EcoBoost engines is calibrated conservatively. There is a noticeable lag between pressing the accelerator and getting the response most Bronco owners want in daily driving and trail use. A plug-and-play throttle response controller connects between the throttle pedal sensor and the ECU, eliminating the signal delay and delivering response that feels significantly more immediate. Unlike a tune, it does not modify the ECU. It is fully reversible, leaves no trace, and does not affect your factory warranty. Installation is plug-and-play under the dash in about 5 minutes. For daily driving, the improvement changes how the Bronco feels immediately. For trail use, the precision throttle control at low speeds is particularly noticeable where exact speed management matters most. Mod number 4, roll bar grab handles, $25 to $40. Every Bronco owner who installs these immediately wishes they had done it on delivery day, and the forum community consistently overlooks them in favor of more dramatic modifications. Broncos with larger tires, suspension lifts, or even stock ride height can be a genuine climb for shorter passengers, children, or anyone wearing trail gear. The stock interior offers limited grab points, resulting in an undignified scramble that creates a real fall risk on uneven terrain. Roll bar grab handles attached to the interior roll bars using integrated straps. No permanent modification required. The 7 Sparta 4-pack designed for 2021 through 2025, Bronco 2-door and 4-door models supports up to 300 pounds of load. $25 to $40. Under 10 minutes to install. Used on every trip from that point forward. Mod number 5, a front skid plate, $60 to $120. The Bronco's underbody is more exposed than most owners realize, particularly the oil pan and transmission pan on configurations without the factory skid plate package. Trail use puts those components in contact with rocks and debris that factory sheet metal was never designed to protect against. A bolt-on steel skid plate for the Bronco's front underbody costs $60 to $120 for entry-level steel options. These protect the most vulnerable underbody components from the rock strikes and high centering events that are the most common cause of serious underbody damage on trail-driven Broncos. Installation uses existing mounting points and takes under an hour. An oil pan replacement after a rock strike runs $400 to $800. A front skid plate is the direct protection against that specific repair. If your Bronco does not have factory skid plate coverage on the front undercarriage, this is a non-negotiable first purchase before any trail driving. Mod number 6, a digital tire pressure gauge and a monthly habit, $15. $15, zero installation time. The mod that produces the most consistent impact on fuel economy, tire life, and on four-wheel drive configurations, drivetrain longevity. The Bronco's TPMS light only illuminates when pressure drops approximately 25% below specification. By the time it comes on, the tires have been significantly underinflated long enough to have already cost measurable fuel economy, accelerated edge wear, and on four-wheel drive models, generated the phantom wheel speed differential that causes transfer case and front axle components to work unnecessarily. A digital gauge costs $15. Checking all 4 tires against the door jamb specification monthly takes 5 minutes. Most Bronco owners with the Sasquatch package are running the wrong pressure target because they reference the sidewall maximum rather than the door jamb sticker. The door jamb sticker is always the correct reference regardless of tire size. Mod number 7, LED interior lighting upgrade, $20 to $40. The mod the forum consistently overlooks in favor of exterior lighting, and that produces one of the highest quality of life improvements per dollar of anything in the Bronco interior. Factory interior lighting on most non-top tier Bronco trims uses incandescent bulbs, warm yellowish light at low output that makes finding anything in a dark cabin after a trail day genuinely difficult. Direct replacement LED kits for the Bronco's specific interior housings, dome, map, cargo, and footwell, cost $20 to $40 complete. LEDs produce significantly more output in cooler white light that illuminates the entire cabin. Installation requires no tools on most positions, and the bulbs pull out and push in. For anyone who uses their Bronco for camping, overlanding, or any activity involving cabin access after dark, the LED upgrade makes the most immediate practical difference on the very first night use after installation. Mod number 8, a recovery traction board set, $60 to $100. The most important safety modifier on this list, and the cheap mod that most Bronco owners who trail regularly regret not having the first time they get stuck somewhere factory recovery options cannot address. Traction boards slide under a stuck tire on loose terrain, mud, sand, loose dirt, and provide the surface the drive tires need to pull the vehicle out without a winch or another person. Entry-level sets cost $60 to $100. Store flat in the cargo area or on a roof rack, and deploy in under 2 minutes with no tools. Most Bronco owners assume trail control, crawl control, and locking differentials make traction boards unnecessary. They do not. Every one of those systems requires traction to function. A Bronco with all 4 tires spinning freely in deep sand has no electronic system that recovers it. Traction boards do. $60 to $100 that most owners never spend until the first time they need them and do not have them. 8 mods, floor mats that protect the carpet. The Bronco was built to dirty, dielectric grease that prevents electrical faults from years of door-off driving, a throttle controller that eliminates factory lag without touching the warranty, roll bar handles that make passenger entry safe on any terrain, a front skid plate before the first rock strike, a $15 gauge and 5-minute monthly habit that pays for itself immediately, an LED upgrade that transforms the cabin after dark, and traction boards that work when every electronic system in the truck has run out of answers. Under $400 total. More real-world daily impact than most $4,000 suspension packages deliver. Save this video, share it with every Bronco owner you know. Drop a comment below telling us which mod you are doing first and what trim Bronco you drive. Subscribe for more Bronco tips and everything the dealer forgot to mention. New video every week. We will see you in the next one.